Here's how you can download the NetMirror or NetStream app on your Android phone if it's available on the Play Store. Open the Play Store app on your phone and search for NetStream, NetMirror, or even try typing in the app ID like com.harryanv.netstream. Look for one that's connected to HarryVi, content, or a name you recognize. Once you find it, tap Install. After that, open the app and give it all the permissions it asks for, like access to camera, storage, and notifications. It won't work properly without them. Now, if you don't see it in the Play Store, you can still get it by downloading the APK file. Open Chrome or any browser and go to a reliable site like APKPure.com or APKCombo.com. In their search bar, type NetStream, NetMirror, or the same app ID. Download the latest version, usually around 93 megabytes. Before you install the APK, you'll need to allow app installs from unknown sources. Go to your phone settings, then Security or Apps, and look for Install Unknown Apps. Tap on your browser or file manager and allow permission from that source. Then go back to your downloads, tap the APK file, and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and again make sure to allow all permissions it asks for, including access to notifications and background activity if prompted, so the app works seamlessly. If you still can't find it on the Play Store, it could be region locked or temporarily removed. You can also try using a VPN if needed, and of course, always stick to trusted sites when downloading APKs to avoid any sketchy files or potential malware. After installing, it's a good idea to restart your phone to ensure the app functions properly. Regularly updating the app will also help you access new features, improve performance, and fix any bugs. Always double check the APK version matches the official app to avoid fake or malicious copies.